Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be making a spicy chicken and broccoli recipe. Now what makes it spicy is the cayenne pepper and the red pepper flakes. So if you don't like spice, you can leave those out and continue following the recipe. Now this is a perfect weeknight meal because I'm going to be using chicken breast, which is very easy to cook. And of course, broccoli is very easy to cook as well. So stay tuned for my spicy chicken and broccoli recipe. I've already cut 3 chicken breasts into cube-sized pieces, and now I have 1 more to cut. I'm trying to make the pieces about the same size so that they all cook evenly and at the same time. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of organic cornstarch. If you don't have organic cornstarch, that's fine. This is about 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I'm mixing well to make sure that the cornstarch and seasoning are all mixed in evenly. Then I'm going to cover this and put it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to chop up 2 cloves of garlic. I've peeled and washed about a half a tablespoon of ginger, and then I'm going to finely dice it. And I'm chopping 2 green onions as well. I've boiled some water in a pan, and I'm going to steam about 4 handfuls of broccoli for about 2 minutes. The broccoli is done, so I'm going to drain off the water. I've added some olive oil to a hot pan, and now I'm adding the garlic and ginger, as well as 2 teaspoons of sugar, and I'm using coconut sugar. And now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of liquid soy seasoning. You can use soy sauce if you'd like. The chicken was in the fridge for 20 minutes, then I put it on the counter to rest for about 10 minutes before adding it to the pan. And then I'm stirring the chicken around so that everything cooks evenly. I'm going to cover this for about 15 minutes. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce and 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes and stirring well. And now I'm adding the green onions. I've turned the stove off, and now I'm adding the broccoli and mixing everything together. And here it is, a delicious spicy dish that will go well with some rice or quinoa on the side. So if you make this chicken and broccoli recipe, let me know how it goes in the comments below. Did you have it mild, or did you try it with the spice? And if you like my meal ideas, please click on that like button and subscribe. Until next time, take care.